Welcome back to Primetime News and a very special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the words Spot Media. The Jamaica Coalition for a Healthy Society is calling for citizens to come out in their numbers to tomorrow's sitting of the Senate to register their concern about aspects of the National Identification and Registration Bill. The coalition, as well as several other civic and church groups, as well as the parliamentary opposition, have urged the government to send the bill to a joint select committee to have all the contentious issues hammered out. Speaking with TVJ News this morning, chairman of the coalition, Dr. Wayne West, said despite the Senate's marathon sitting on Friday, the organization is still of the opinion that more time is needed for Jamaicans to fully understand the implications of the bill. Dr. West maintains that the government should halt the passage of the bill to enable further and better consultations.
There are aspects of the bill which are very invasive. I mean, in terms of identifying persons, we are accustomed to fingerprints and retina scan that's done in the United States. But to take people's DNA as is proposed in this bill is quite invasive. Not only that, in terms of your personal activity, the bill is asking that you say what your general activities are. That's very intrusive. Why should the government want to know what you do on a Sunday afternoon? The other consideration is that there is this huge fine if you are not a part of it, a fine of as much as $100,000, and we don't know if this is a one-time fine or if it is something to be repeated.
He says most other developed nations, including the United Kingdom and Australia, have rejected national ID systems.